In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert JPG to PNG. This is an essential skill for anyone working with digital images. Why, you ask? Well, PNG uses lossless compression, so it preserves image quality and even supports transparency, unlike JPG. Let's dive right into the process. We'll start with the desktop method on Windows using Paint. First, locate your JPG file on your computer. Once you find it, right-click the file. This will bring up a menu with several options. From here, you will want to select the option that says Open With, then choose Paint from the list. Now, Paint is a built-in application, so it should be readily available. Once your image is open in Paint, your next step is to click on File in the top left corner of the window. This menu will give you several options. Look for the one that says Save As. When you hover over it, you will see multiple formats. Click on PNG Picture. This step is crucial because choosing PNG ensures that the image quality is preserved and transparency is supported, if any. After selecting PNG Picture, you will be prompted to choose a location to save your new file. It's important to select a spot where you can easily find it later. Once you've chosen the location, click Save. You will see your new PNG file appear in the location you selected. This confirms that the conversion was successful. Now, if you prefer not to use desktop applications, there is another way to convert your images. This method works on any computer. It's the online method. First, open your web browser and search for a JPG to PNG converter website. There are many free options available. Choose one that you find reliable and user-friendly. Once the website is open, you will usually see a button that says something like Upload or Select File. Click that button and navigate to the JPG file you want to convert. Uploading the file may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. After your file is uploaded, the next step is to select PNG as your output format. This is often just a matter of clicking a button or choosing from a drop-down menu. This step is essential because it ensures that your image is converted into the desired format. Finally, once you have selected PNG as the output, look for a button that says Convert or Download. Click it to start the conversion process. Once the conversion is complete, you can download the converted PNG file to your computer. You should see a confirmation that your download was successful, and there you have it. Whether you're using a Windows desktop with Paint or an online converter, converting JPG to PNG is a straightforward process. This skill is incredibly useful, especially when you need high-quality images with transparency. Thank you for joining me today. Now you can easily convert your images whenever you need to. Keep practicing, and you'll become a pro in no time.